Hello, my dear friends. Happy Friday from Bangladesh, and welcome back to my another Clean Planet Walk. How are you all, my dear friends? I hope all are well, and I am also good. And you know, I am Imtiaz Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Friday, 27 May 2022. Now morning time. This Friday morning, I visiting a natural place in our city. Friends, you can see behind my back really very beautiful natural place. Friends, beautiful natural place. One side pond, big pond. One side agriculture land area, green crop field, green nature. Really very beautiful place, friends. And now I am stood in middle of this natural place. Friends, you know, I always try to save the nature, natural place. I always try to remove polluted plastic, garbage from natural place, river side, pond side. This Friday morning, I visiting this place. I walking here. I saw here some polluted garbage and plastic. So now I collected. Now I collect the polluted plastic from here and threw them in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা, আজকে শুক্রবার সকালে আমি আমাদের শহরের একটি প্রাকৃতিক জায়গায় এসেছি। জায়গাটি খুবই সুন্দর, একপাশে পুকুর, একপাশে কৃষি জমি, সবুজ প্রকৃতি, কৃষি জমি এরিয়া। তো সত্যিই সুন্দর জায়গা। আপনারা জানেন আমি প্রাকৃতিক জায়গা থেকে দূষিত আবর্জনা দূর করার চেষ্টা করি। তো আজকে আমি এই জায়গায় এসেছি শুক্রবার সকালে, আমি জায়গাটি এখন পরিষ্কার করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা, পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, this is a really very beautiful natural place. One side pond, one side agricultural land area, green nature. Friends, now I will try to cleaning this place. Let's go, friend. Cleaning mission start now. Friends, and a bag in my hand. Now I collected polluted plastic garbage from here. First I saw here one plastic uh, pond side, pond water, fresh water. I collected this polluted plastic from here. এটা আমি ব্যাগে রাখবো। দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, I saw some plastic stuck in pond water. পুকুরের পানিতে আটকে আছে। This is a very bad for our pond water, natural place. This is a very dirty. পানিতে আটকে আছে, very dirty. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন, this is a very dirty polluted product, polluted plastic. And I saw another plastic here, 1 2 and 3 4. I collected 4 small plastic from pond water. This is a really very bad for our pond water, natural base. আমাদের প্রকৃতির জন্য এগুলো খুবই ক্ষতিকারক। তো আমি এগুলো সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Bad polluted plastic. Friends, I saw another plastic stuck in pondside soils. মাটিতে আটকে ছিল, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, সত্যি খারাপ। এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another plastic here. Friends, I saw one plastic stuck in pondside soils. Plastic, very dirty product. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন, dirty polluted product. Friends, one side pond, one side green nature, green crop field. I working here and try to collect polluted garbage and plastic from here. I saw here many polluted plastic and unused papers, plastic, etc. So now I collected this plastic. A beautiful green nature here, green nature, pond side green nature. One plastic. This is a very bad for our green nature. Green nature. Another plastic here. Another plastic. আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. Old plastic. Old plastic. Really very bad polluted plastic. আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. Another one. Old, very old plastic. এগুলো সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম আমি. Very old plastic, friends. Another plastic product here. Pondside green nature. I collected polluted plastic from here. Old plastic. This is old plastic. This old plastic is really very bad for our nature, natural place, green nature. Friends, finally I will tell you, let's we all save our nature, natural place, green nature. Pond side green nature, agricultural land area, green crop field. I saw here one plastic product, so I collected this plastic product. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. Another plastic here. সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. Friends, I saw here one plastic bottle, pond side green nature. This plastic bottle very bad polluted product. This plastic bottle, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. দেখেন, I saw another plastic here, so I collected this plastic. Old cloth. Plastic and old cloth, very dirty, really very dirty old cloth. This is a really very bad for our natural place, a dirty product, old product. I collected this polluted product on site. Yes, I saw here another plastic. Polluted plastic. I saw another small plastic here. Pondside soils. Pondside soils. Old plastic stuck in soils. Very old. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. Very old plastic, friends. I saw another plastic here. স্টাকিং সয়েল আটকে আছে মাটিতে স্মল স্মল প্লাস্টিক very dirty product polluted product I collected small plastic from here friends I saw another plastic here pond side stuck in pond side old plastic এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম old plastic another plastic another one more old plastic সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম one more plastic product এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম friends I saw another plastic here plastic bottle plastic really very bad plastic friend really very bad এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম দেখেন ডার্টি প্রোডাক্ট friends I saw here another plastic stuck in soils small plastic এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করব another plastic stuck in soils and I saw another plastic stuck in pond side I saw another plastic box unused plastic box এটা আমি নিয়ে নেব very dirty really very dirty product and I saw another plastic stuck in pond side soils beautiful green nature beautiful one side green nature one side pond one side pond I collected many polluted garbage and plastic from here friends I collected many polluted plastic garbage from beautiful natural place pond side green nature full in bag ব্যাগটি ভরে এসেছে now stop this bag because my cleaning mission finished now friends stop this bag ব্যাগটি আমি বন্ধ করেছি now this garbage bag threw in dustbin of municipal let's go friends I collected polluted garbage and plastic from this pond side and green nature friends this pond is very big so next time I again try to cleaning another part of this pond friends I threw this garbage back in this dustbin of municipal